I never seemed to love another. All I went to Joseph was my joy because it reminded me of her.
Louis and Joseph, Jacob lived his youth again, loved him, praised him, gave him all he could, but then it made the rest feel second best, and even if they were
Being told we're also rats does not make us Joseph's fans.
but that they have really missed the boat.
We're great guys, but no one seems to notice.
Joseph's charm and the winning smiles, they'll choose to lay them in the aisles, and their father couldn't see the danger. He could not imagine any danger. He just saw in Joseph all his dreams come true. Jacob wanted to show the world he loved his son, to make it clear that Joseph was a special way. So Jacob bought his son a coat, a multicolored coat to wear.
Joseph's coat was elegant the coat. The tasteful style was the ultimate in goodness. This is why it caught the eye. A king would stop and stare.
And when Joseph tried it on, he knew his sheepskin days were gone. Such a dazzling coat when he comes, how he loved his coat when he comes. In a class upon the rest, the teamwork went well with his best. Such a stunning coat when he comes, how he loved his coat when he comes. It was red and yellow and green and brown and blue. Joseph's brothers weren't too pleased with what they saw.
We have never liked them all that much before. Now this coat has got our coat. We feel life is unfair.
And when Joseph raised the scene, his brothers turned a shade of green. His astounding clothing took the biscuit.
Quite the smoothest person in the district.
I look handsome, I look smart, I am a walking work of art. Such a how I love my coat.
It was red and yellow and green and brown and scarlet and black and ochre and peach and ruby and olive and violet and fawn and lilac and
I look smart, I am a walking work of art.
silver and rose and azure and lily and russet and gray.
How I love my coat.
Orange and red and yellow and